Hi guys, welcome to Damilola's kitchen. On today's episode of Damilola in the kitchen, we will be making chicken noodle soup. Before we start, I would like to tell you that you should please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell, and please follow me on YouTube at Damilola Olaleye on YouTube, and please give me a like button. Thank you. And now let's get started. First, you will need your broccoli. This is the broccoli, and this is the broccoli stem. This is celery stick. This is carrot, seasoning powder, salt, onion, chicken, egg noodles, and we'll be needing this seasoning. If you watch my last video, you will see how I make this seasoning. If you have not watched my last video, before you watch this one, go and watch my last video. Now, and I'll be using this Mary Dami fried dry spice to make my chicken noodles taste fabulous and nice. Let me tell you about this Mary Dami fried rice. This Mary Dami fried dry spice does not have GMO. It's natural. It does not artificial flavor. It's good for everybody. If you are vegan, vegetarian, anything, you can use it. Yeah, you can use it on your shrimp, or your chicken, or your fish to make fried rice, jollof rice, indomie, noodles, anything of your choice. Now let's get cooking. This is it. We will start by boiling our noodles. So my water is on the pot. You have to make sure that the water is boiled first before you add your salt. Then we will start by making sure that the pot is hot before we start. Now I'll add my oil to the pot. Then we will add our onion to the pot. Add our onion to the pot. Then you will make sure that the onion is caramelized before adding the next ingredient. Now we will add salt. Add salt so that the water will be flavorful. It will taste like sea. Then you add your noodles to the pot. Cover it until it's cooked halfway done. Let's check this. You see, yeah, that's how we want it. We add our broccoli stem to the pot, and we'll add the celery stick to the pot also. Make sure that they are well cooked. Then when it is tender, we will remove it from the pot, and then we will cook our chicken. I want to strain it. Just strain it. I didn't allow it to cook too much. Now I'm going to remove the vegetables in the pot. The reason why I do it this way is because I want everything to soft first, because there are some hard one there, and they will make my chicken flavorful. Now I will add my chicken to the pot. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. This is you see, if this one you did not like this place, you can use this place. You can open it like this. See? Then I open it. Stir it together, you see. Then add salt. Add salt to your taste because you like salt. Add seasoning powder to your taste. Mix together. Then we'll add our carrots to the pot. We'll leave a little bit so that we can use it for garnish later. Then we'll have to add butter to the pot. You know that the noodles is already cooked, so we'll allow the chicken to cook. I will still add a little bit of water so that water will cover it, and I will show you the next step. Now we are going to add all our vegetables. This is the broccoli, and onion, broccoli stem, we add our marinade. Make sure you let it cook. So the next step is just to add the noodles to the pot. Now we are going to add the noodles to the pot. Now it's already done. This is it. It make a beautiful color. We will now serve it. Now I'm going to garnish it with these carrots. taste it. Let's taste the soup first. Tasty, delicious. Let's now taste all the other ingredients in the soup. It's delicious. It's tasty. Please don't forget about Mary Dami fried rice spice. Don't forget about it. Please use it, buy it. It's cheap, doesn't cost a fortune, does not have artificial flavor. It's a natural all the way through, and it's not GMO. It's good, it's delicious. Buy it, use it. Thank you, and God bless you.